everyone, Miss Amanda with Farm Friends. We are at the Happy Horse. We have a very special little young friend, one of the baby lambs that was born recently. And mama sheep and the other baby sheep over there. We're going to be reading 5-minute stories about the sheep by Nancy Shaw. This one is Sheep Go to Sleep. Winking fireflies light the way as sheep stroll home to hit the hay. Five sheep settle in their shed, using straw to make the bed. Do you sleep on straw? I don't think so. Screeches, rustling, noisy crickets. Sheep hear hoots from nearby thickets. Nighttime noises scare the sheep. Really, who could go to sleep? Sheep bleat, sheep sigh. A trusty collie wanders by. What would make the sheep feel snug? The collie gives a sheep a hug. The tired sheep begins to snore. Want to sleep? How many more? One sheep asks to have a drink. The collie gets it from the sink. Another sheep begins to snore. Two asleep. How many more? A lullaby should calm the flock. Sheep tap rhythm, hum and rock. Another sheep begins to snore. Three asleep. How many more? One sheep wants a teddy bear. The collie brings his own to share. Another sheep begins to snore. Four asleep. How many more? The last one wants a cozy quilt to snuggle in the bed she built. The collie gives a weary grin. He fetches one and tucks her in. All the sheep have closed their eyes. They'll drowse and dream until sunrise. But where is the dog who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. The end. Thank you for listening. This little guy might fall asleep too. Have a good day. Bye-bye.